This realtor in Champions Gate called us to do a deep cleaning for this house in order to sell the property. So our purpose is to enhance the beauty of the house. Sanitize and cleaning the bathroom, kitchen cabinets, in and out, refrigerator, oven, blinds, especially if you had, or the previous owner or the tenant has cats or dogs, a lot of pet hair, vacuuming properly, and of course do a bundle service and enhance the beauty of the tile and grout. This house, it was open, a lot of tile and grout in the first floor, second floor all carpets. So this client called us especially for a bundle cleaning services, and you can reach us at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching.